guys, this is Anthony Lewis coming to you live from DMTPTV. Happy to see you guys out there. Listen, over at NCS and Single Source, we've been really focused on paint hours per RO, okay? And remember, that metric is supposed to be around 9 paint hours per RO, right? But what we're seeing right now is a lot of 6, 7, right? And so now we have some tips to help you guys get more paint hours on your ROs. So first of all, did you guys know that you guys can actually charge for your stat guns? And if you don't have a stat gun, you probably should get out and get one. And then also...
And another thing, check your overlaps. If it's not bolted or welded to the panel, that's 0.2, not 0.4. Don't let them start loading up your estimate with a bunch of overlaps where it's not applicable.
Right, and then there's also...
And have you checked your CCC blend estimating rules? Have you checked those?
Yeah, get in there and make that adjustment. And if you've got a panel that, say, you're just getting overlapped and deducted and you're just frustrated, if you've got photographic evidence there's a bunch of paint on that panel, maybe on the masking material, just start a full paint time. It's a lot easier to negotiate down from 1.8 than it is from 0.3.
And don't forget to charge for your spectrophotometer.
Absolutely.
When you check a color on a panel, you have to do many operations to make sure that color is correct. Guess what? You're using a lot of materials on that spectro check. Bill for them.
Spectrophotometer is the color camera, just in case you didn't know.
Thanks for tuning in to DMTP TV. We love you. See you next time. Anthony, you did great.
You did a good job.
Thanks, guys. What?